It's me again, after 2.5 years. Okay, not quite, because previously I did a video, which I uploaded not long ago. But I haven't talked to a camera like this in a long time. So for this time, I think it's time I introduced my brother.
What's up, bye guys? I'm George.
Bye guys.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
I just wanted to say that, what's up guys? But yeah, I can't speak, you know.
So, why are we here?
Because this is my 2006 350Z. It's a DE rev up, so it makes around 300 horsepower, and it's obviously a manual, as I'm not.
You can't say that. No.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah.
So it is a manual. It's an 06. It is a rev up. You can tell from the outside because it has the facelifted headlights.
Also
and
the facelifted bumpers.
Yep, it has the facelifted bumpers as well.
Old hood.
But it does have the old hood without the power though. This is a DE hood, so that's pretty much all there is to it on the outside.
Yes, so far.
So far.
My plan is to turn this into one of a beast of a track car. So we are planning to do a brake cooling system, I guess.
Yeah, that's
because
probably this video as well.
Yeah.
So.
Once I was on a track with this car, and yeah, the brakes were not that good as they got very quickly.
So these does have the Brembos, which so not many US models do have the Brembos, but this does because it's a European model. So I think all of them got the Brembos. Did they?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, probably. So this does have the Brembos. It has brand new Brembo discs and it has Faraday DS 2500s. Now on the first track day, this setup had like 100-200 kilometers in it, so it should have been pretty mint. It was broken in a bit of an aggressive manner, but it was fine in the beginning of the track day. But this car weighs 1500 kilos.
Yeah, plus me.
Plus him. He's a heavy car.
Yeah, I'm a heavy motherfucker. Yeah, so that's why we really badly need the cooling system. Also, these are broken. It's broken! Especially on the other side.
Yeah, this one looks fine actually, but the other side, it's not great.
Yeah, this is, it's like...
So the arch liner is kind of broken. It does have a hole in it. I don't think
it has
you can
a
see
lot
it.
of holes in it.
Yeah, you can see
this car was static, probably.
I think.
So yeah.
Nice love squat, Gary.
Huh?
Nice love squat. That was a nice love squat.
Thank
like that.
you.
So this car probably was lowered quite substantially, and I think it was rubbing at the front, so that's why.
Yeah, static 350Zs have this problem.
Yeah, we've heard.
Being static is already a problem.
So I think this video is going to be about the brake cooling. Me attempting, or us attempting to make some brake cooling, which I don't know if we'll succeed. We have some epic ducts which will come here and then to the other side, the same side. So which will come here.
Nice one.
And to the other side, which were printed by a very nice guy.
Yeah.
In a track day group.
I will ask him if we can leave his contact in the description down below.
I think we can probably print some more.
We already know how to take off the bumper, so that's one step.
Step one.
Yeah.
So we also have some what's the called?
What?
The lines. Yeah, no, not the arch line. We have brand new arch liners for the front parts. But we have the, what's that?
What? Say it in Hungarian.
Two.
Yeah.
So we don't really know what it's called in English, but
yeah.
We have the pipe thingies.
Yeah, the pipe. A freaking pipe.
It's not a pipe. No, a pipe is a solid piece.
Yeah, it's not.
It's not a pipe.
It's not solid.
Whatever. So we have the pipes to go to the brakes, and the guy who printed the air brake duct, the brake ducts, told us how to route the pipes so they end up around the calipers.
We can't speak, yeah, by the way. Neither of us can speak. Neither of us.
We can't now, so...
No, not possible.
So that's project number 1 with this car.
I will show you my favorite feature about this car.
Okay, what's that?
Look at this. I love this. Why do I love this so much?
Okay, that's actually pretty cool, not gonna lie. That is pretty cool.
Also, these are obviously not the stock wheels.
Yeah.
I love the color of it, but I don't really like the look of it, so
these are
later
OZ wheels. They are, I think, 8x18 all around with 225s up front and 245s at the rear. It looks positively chunkier at the rear. It's not bad, but yeah, could be better.
I'm planning on maybe getting 370Z wheels on it. Not sure, as they are like bigger. These are 18, right?
Yeah.
18s.
Yeah.
And those are 19s.
Yeah.
And I really like these chunky look. Like.
Yeah, I mean, it's a more track-oriented look with a smaller rim and a bit of a bigger sidewall. I think the overall diameter of the rear rims is actually bigger than the front ones. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. It looks just right like this, so...
Yeah, but they are not wide enough.
Yeah, they are not wide enough, but...
It's only 2, 4, 5. I want 305s.
They are way too wide for drifting, but they are not wide enough for a track car. For a track car, yeah. That's a horse.
What a beauty.
Yeah, we are in the middle of nowhere. So people are riding horses on the road here. This is totally what Hungary is like. See? 350Z and a horse. That's one more horsepower.
The best country ever.
I mean, it is a pretty
I
big
love
country.
this country.
I mean, look around.
I love it.
That's grapes, vineyard, or whatever it's called in English. It's a pretty beautiful country, except for that part, but that's...
Yeah,
ignore that.
That's
It's not there, ignore that.
Not there.
So I think that's pretty much it for this part of the video. Yeah, this part of the video, I guess.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure if you can do it today or if you can start it today even, but I think we are going to go home and attempt creating some brake cooling on this car.
Yep.
So.
Strong.
Yeah. We also needed to have a fire extinguisher because this drives like an idiot.
I'm paranoid.
No, he's not paranoid, he's just an animal.
Both, I'd say.
Probably. So yeah, that might come in handy, hopefully not. To add that obviously it was a private road.
Yeah, in Mexico.
In Mexico and in the European Mexico, because we are in Europe, but it was totally in the European Mexico, which has the same rules as the US Mexico. And obviously we had permission to use it, so...
Just like always.
All legal, everything is all legal, everything you see on camera is either legal or
in Mexico.
Or in Mexico, where it is also legal, so... So the bumper is halfway off, still connected to the headlight washers.
For some reason, there's this is here and this is not. I mean, it's
This
different
piece is
because
missing.
oh yeah, this is why. I'm just a
Probably
dumbass.
Anyway, there are these
That's
bits of
connected.
plastic.
That's connected. That's
This
actually
side
connected.
is connected, but the other one was just on there.
It's just here.
Yeah, it was just
Right.
put on there, and like this one as well. I think it should be connected by one of these
By
rivet
this?
thingies. Perhaps two of these, I don't know.
Yeah.
But this is what we should fix the. This is what we should fix the cooling ducts to, I think.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And we only have one of these, so the other side is missing.
No, no, no.
No, it is.
This is not.
It is.
Oh yeah, it is. But this is the other side. So we have both sides.
Oh, now
We're
we
just
seem to be
missing
having
these.
both sides then.
For some reason, this wasn't on the
Yeah.
right place. This was in the middle of here.
Yeah, this wasn't fitted at all. It was just
What the hell? Alright, I'm gonna
hanging
get
around
that.
there. So we need to disconnect the headlight washers, and then we can put the front bumper away. We got the bumper off. It's zip tied the headlight washer lines because it was spilling headlight washer fluid. How surprising, right?
And we just filled it up, so that's great.
Yeah, that didn't work out too well. Anyway, bumper is off. These are the ducts. It was 3D printed by a guy.
Oh, should we?
And oh, that's
No,
this
no,
side.
This, yeah, that's.
Yeah. So these will go some way like here.
Yeah, I
I
guess.
think we can route the pipe through here, either under it, but I think
And then
over it.
yeah.
Or-
Here. Yeah, we
like
can
that.
do it here because there's nothing after it, just the arch cover.
Yeah. The arch liner. Yeah.
And we already need to. Holy shit, that's messed up. Look at this.
Yeah. So the arch liners are not in great condition.
Yeah.
These brackets are rusted. It's like messed up.
Don't
There's-
mind the-
there is a bolt.
That's.
I just found the bolt.
Bruh.
Yeah, it is full of washer fluid apparently. So that's that.
Yeah, don't mind that.
So I think this is the piece we need to use for the ducting, and we can fit it on the back side of this
Somehow.
Like-
This is the other side.
I
No,
think
that's the right side, right?
probably like so, but behind it, so we might need to trim this piece.
What even is that? Do we even need
It's
that?
just some ducting. Yeah, I think we can route it here. Okay, so next task is put that plastic piece back here and fit this
Come
one
here.
back here,
Okay.
like so. Hello, there go.
There. What's up, though?
So back to the car.
You can.
That's the next part. Fit everything back together like it was factory, and then figure out the routing, which will be through here, I think. Yeah, I didn't show, but these are the pipes we got. It's 65 mil diameter, and we have 4 meters. So
Fit right in, right?
yeah, it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh,
All
like a
that.
glove.
Yep, exactly. Yeah, so that's gonna be
We just need something
Oh,
to
we'll
hold
use
this up. Zip
zip
tie.
ties.
or-
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, works.
works for me too.
Oh, what the hell?
All right.
Oh yeah, we have this.
Let's do this. All right, so this is the duct. This is the plastic part that you will have to fit this to. So we have to cut these ribs and cut this out like so. But the plan is that it will be on here like so, roughly. So if you come to the other side, you'll see that it will be routed downwards and then backwards towards the wheel. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll have to cut somewhere over here, probably.
now we see about that.
This car is full of this. Like it's made of this.
It's made
literally.
of it's put together with rivets.
Yeah.
Rivets.
Everywhere.
Or whatever you call them.
And we missed like half of them.
Yeah. Half of them were missing from the front end, so I think we need to get a few to put this together properly, because we are not doing half a job. We're doing it properly. Okay, so next thing is cutting these and then fitting the ducts.
Go.
Let's do it. honest, I've never used a Dremel before, and that's pretty much all I found that I could use. So if I messed up, please tell me in the comments. I probably did, because it didn't seem right. It was moving around a lot and it felt sketchy, but I made it work, so all is good.
Honestly, it looks good, right?
It does look alright for a first try, so
Yeah, I like that we could keep this.
yeah.
It really...
You could use it as an alignment point.
Yeah,
So.
yeah, exactly. Great, I think this is a success.
So it's fixed together. Found some really small boards.
Yeah.
Not the most aesthetically pleasing ones, but it gets the job done. So one side is kind of done.
Yeah.
All right,
Great.
let's do the next one. All right, we finished the 2 pieces of ducting. We're going to just put the car together. We'll leave these out because this is a very broken and this is slightly broken. So I think we might or might not get new ones of those if it's available.
I mean, it's literally in the way, so yeah, I don't think...
Or we might not even fit them, so
Yeah.
either way, those are done, and we will put the bumper back on, screw it all together, and call it a day for now because we ran out of daylight. So
Yeah.
I think that's going to be it for
Yep.
today.
It's a day. It's been a day.
It's been a good day. I think this is going to be in the end of the video as well. So
Yeah, thank you for watching.
yeah, and
Subscribe, like, and share.
whatever,
Otherwise,
whatever he said.
Um,
Baba Yaga will come for you. That's
if
the
you
line.
subscribe, we get 1 more subscriber. So yeah,
Ooh.
that's epic. Worth it, right? And it's free.
It is. Unless
Anyway,
you are
thank
a
you.
member or something, you know, whatever.
Yeah, we don't have memberships yet.
See you next time.